Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Yesterday we have solved exercise 13.8 in from NCERT. Today we will start 13.9 of this unit. A wooden shelf has external dimension as follow: height 110 cm, depth 25 cm, breadth 85 cm, and the thickness of the plank is 5 cm everywhere. The external faces are to be polished and the inner faces are have to be painted. If the rate of the polishing is 20 paise per centimeter square and that of painting 10 paise per centimeter square, then find the total expense required for the polish and the painting the surface area of the wooden shelf. In this question, this one is book shelf, and on this book shelf we have to polish to the external faces and painting to the inner faces. Then how much expense will be of painting and polish? Then let us start. This one is bookshelf, and here one 110 centimeter height, 85 centimeter broad, and 25 centimeter depth. And now these are 3 plank, one, two, and 3. This one is bookshelf. Here there are 3 plank, first, second, and third. Now we have to find the cost of the painting and polish. Then here the area on which have to polish. Which area we have to polish? All the external faces. External faces means back side, this side, and this side. On this area and the front sides on 5 centimeter thickness, and here this one is 110, 85, this one 25, and thickness of this is 5 centimeter. Everywhere thickness of this 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then polish area, first we take backside area. Then backside area is rectangular face, and the length of this that side is 110 into 85. Backside area we have to polish. The area will be this plus Now side area 2 into 110 into 25, because this area is rectangular face and length of this one is 110 and this one is breadth, then area of this will be 110 into 25, and this one area is identical to opposite side, and opposite side area will be same as this. Now we can take double of this side, then here this one is 2 into 110 into 25 plus. Now we take upper area. Upper area is this. Upper area is external face and the dimension are this, here 85 into this one is 25. The area of upper side will be 85 into 25 plus. Now area of this will be, front side is, this one is also external faces. We take this rectangular face, then this one rectangular face, the length of this is 110 and breadth is 5 cm. Then area of this one is 110 into 5, and these are same as this. Then 2 times of area 110 into 5, then double of 110 into 5. Okay, then we take this and this side. Now these are also external faces, first, second, third and fourth. Then we take area of this and multiply by 4, then we calculate this and this and this, then plus 4 into 4 times of this area, then the length of this will be equal to 85 minus 5 cm and 5 cm. 85 minus 10 cm equal to 870. This one 85 minus 5 cm here and 5 cm here, then 10 cm will be less from 85. Then here this one is 75 cm. 75 into the breadth is 5 cm, then here 5 cm, and these are how many areas? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we can multiply by 4, then we can find all the area of this type area. Then all external faces we have calculated, and the sum of these will be, this one is 85 into 110, 85 1 is 85, carry 8, 85 and 8, 93, 85 and 8, 93, 9350 centimeter square, plus this one will be 5500, because 25 to the 50 and 50 into 110, so 11 5s are 55 and 1 of 0 this and 1 of 0 of 50, then this one is 5500 plus area of this one is then 85 into this, and this will be double of this, because this one is also double, upper side and down side. Then 25 into 250, 50 into 85, then 50 into 85, 50 into 85, then 8500 upon 2, then 4250, and plus this one, and here 5 to the 10, 10 into 110, 10 into 110, then 1100, and after that come this one, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 75 to the 150 and 1 0. Then these are the sum of these, and we calculate these areas. Then 0 0 0 0 and 0, again 0 0 5 5 10 1 6 7 7 or 2 9 9 or 5 14 14 or 3 17 1 2 3 3 or 4 7 7 or 5 12 12 and 9 21. Again check 0 0 0 0 0 and next one 0 0 5 5 10 1 6 7 7 to 8 8 or 5 13 13 or 3 16. This one 6 7 7 into 9 9 5 14 14 or 3 17. Carry 1 2 3 7 7 or 5 12 12 and 9 21. Correct. Centimeter square. And the cost of police at the rate 20 paise. 20 paise means 20 upon 100 rupees, then equal to 0.2 rupees. The cost of the police, then police at the rate, then we multiply to centimeter square to rate, then we obtain cost. 21700 into 0.2, then we calculate this 0 0 4 3 and 4, then we take point before one digit, this rupees. Now inner faces we have to painting at the rate of 0.1 rupees per centimeter square. Then inner faces are inner front side. So inner front side is 110 centimeter length, and area on which we cannot be paint. Then there are 1 2 3 4 plank in this. Then 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 4 times will be less from 110. Then here the length is front back to back side, front to back side. Here remaining 110 minus 5 5 5 and 5 20. Then area which have area on which have to paint is equal to, then the area will be front of back side. This one is 110 minus 20 90 into the second side will be breadth is 85 centimeter, then 5 centimeter less this side and 5 centimeter less this side, and after that 5 centimeter this side and 5 centimeter this side. Then this will be equal to equal to 75, because 5 centimeter both side will be less from 85, and this will be 75. Okay, now plus, now we take inner side left side of this and right side of this. The total length of shelf is 110 and 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter 1 2 3 4. Then 4 times of 5 centimeter will be less from 110. Then here 90 into the depth is 25 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter back side will be less from 25, then will be 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter into this side is 90 into 20 and opposite side is same as this, then we will be multiplying by 2, then we obtain both sides of same as plus, then we have take front side and left and right side of inner side. Now we take inner part of upper side and this side, and upper this side, down this side, upper this side and down this side. On these area have to be also painting. Now this one is length is 85 minus 10 centimeter, 85 minus 5 centimeter and minus 5 centimeter, this will be 75 into 75 centimeter remaining, and into here 20 centimeter, because 5 centimeter will be less from back side. And here 75 into 20. Then how many faces are these type? This type faces are first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Then sixth faces are of same size, same 6 faces. And which area is more, on which we have to painting 90 into 75 first, 90 into 20 and 6 into 75 into 20. Now any other area is not remaining. Now we calculate this. This one is 76750, because 75 9 are 675 and 1 0 of 90 plus this area will be 3600, because this one is 40 into 90, 9 4 36, 1 0 of 90 and 1 0 of 4 40. And here this one is 1500 into 6, then 9000. Then so total of this will be equal to 0 0 0 0 0 5 and 0 6 or 7 13 10 13 or 90. Then this one centimeter square. Then cost of painting on rate 10 paise means 10 upon 100 rupees, 0.1 rupees equal to, then we multiply 19350 into 0.1, then we obtain 1935 rupees, because we take point before 2 digits, then 0 will be removed. 1935 rupees. And total cost of painting and polish. Total cost of polish and painting is equal to, this one is 4340 rupees plus 1935 rupees. Then we calculate this 5, 7, 2 and 6 rupees. Then the total required cost of painting and polish will be 6275 rupees. Then enough for today, and we will solve next 2 questions in next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.